Myntra Beauty fam, welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. This is Sohini Chanda and today I'm going to talk about skin cycling trend that I have been following for few weeks. Now you must be thinking what is skin cycling and how should we do it and also what product should we use. Now today I'm here to talk about this only. So skin cycling is a 4-night skincare routine where you can use active ingredients in separate days. There are a lot of people who actually mix active ingredients every single day, and that is not suitable for every skin type. Now one more thing you have to remember is your morning skincare routine should be same for all days, just the night skincare routine will be different. For day 1, which is exfoliate, you can use any AHA or BHA product. It can be serum or it can be toner as well. Now I start by washing my face with the Foxtail cleanser. It is a very nice hydrating cleanser and it doesn't dry out my skin. The next product I use is Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I take 2 to 3 pumps of this and apply this all over my face and let it sit for 5 minutes. The last step is applying a moisturizer. I use the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. It is very gentle and also very soothing. Now moving to day 2, which is using a retinol. Again I start by washing my face with the Foxtail cleanser. Then I use the Foxtail Retinol Night Serum. This has 0.15% retinol, which is beginners friendly. Apply this all over your face, avoiding the eye and the lip area. Now let it sit for 10 minutes and then move on to moisturizer. So for day 2 moisturizer, I use the Foxtail Hydrating Moisturizer. This has plant-based ceramide. Apply this all over your skin and that's it for day 2. Now moving on to day 3 and 4, which is recovery. Now these days you have to use something soothing and calming for your skin. I again start by washing my face with the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. Next, I move on to Laneige Cream Skin Refiner Mist. I spray a little bit on my skin and let it sit for a few seconds. Next, I use the Cosrx Advanced Nail Mucin. It's an essence. It's a very lightweight product. Apply it and dab it on your skin. Lastly, for moisturizer, I use the Plum Hemp and Ceramides Moisturizer. This calms your skin and also repairs skin barrier. Now, if you have very dry skin, you can also go for the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Make sure your morning skincare routine will be very simple and same, which includes cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. It's a must. Now here is a before and after of my skin. So I'm going to mention all the product details down in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Also do not forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.